Wipe off your cutting board. Wrap it tight, get the air out. Shelf life 3 days. It'll be eaten long before that. Oh yeah. I got this awesome, beautiful, giant hothouse tomato. Let's see just what it will do here. Oh, interesting. The stem is resisting me. Eventually it comes off. Okay. After you slice the tomatoes, you stack them up. 2 or 3 at a time is ideal. I've got 3 right here like this. Okay, once you stack them up, you line them up, and you go with a straight down motion like this. Call this a rocking motion. You turn them about 90 degrees, 180 if you prefer, depends on your knife angle. And right there, a very nice medium dice. Yeah, with the Japanese knives and some knife tips, and we're going to do a couple of tests here today. Perfect, easy to sharpen, holds an edge, nice angle, nice shape. For fresh herbs today, I've got some fresh oregano. Look at that. Ah, smells so good. Line it up, basically like a basil chiffonade, same exact idea. Roll it up, line it up, just like this. Nice, thin, consistent chiffonade of oregano. That's what I'm looking for right there. If chef asks you to make a chiffonade of oregano, now you know exactly what he's looking for. Combine all ingredients in a stainless steel mixing bowl. Wipe off your cutting board. We continue. Extra virgin olive oil. Oh yeah, generous amount. This one has a truffle in it. Fresh ground pepper. The pepper mill, since you asked, this one's handmade in Greece. Buy the best the first time. Yeah. Sea salt. This one's from Hawaii. It's pink. Oh yeah. And a splash of apple cider vinegar with the mother in there. Oh, now we're talking health. Healthy, healthy stuff. I'm going to give this a quick little toss with my high heat spatula. Oh yeah, can you imagine how good this would taste? Oh, there's a bad piece there. Could you imagine how good this would taste on top of an omelet with some tortilla chips? Oh yeah. Try the recipe out. Come back for more knife reviews. Wow. Let's finish with a tasting. Chef always likes a tasting. Ah. More salt. Wow. It's going to be good. Subscribe. First of all, I mentioned in the last video, it's the feel, the fit, the grip. This is hoe wood. Rinse them off, you dry them with a towel. It's done, I'm good to go. Yeah, check it out. Get cooking. Have a great day. Yeah. All right. Check out the sponsor. They've got free shipping, no tax most areas, and they give you discounts. This is the best stuff there is. Subscribe right here. Check out the sponsor over there in the links, and call the sponsor with any questions you have. They are experts. Combined, they have over 50 years of butcher block experience. Installation, staining, finishing, wood choices, kitchen designers, builders, and hotels, restaurants from around the world do business with the sponsor. Give them a call. Like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah, that's the good stuff. Wow. I like it. Don't forget to score all of your maintenance products at the sponsor as well. Cutting board maintenance is so important. Follow these tips. Oh yeah, sourdough bread. Look at that stuff. Nice loaves. Learn more right there. Just search bread on this channel. Okay, if Chef asks you for some chopped fresh basil, that's what he's looking for right there. Not the garbage you see at the fast food places. You know what I'm talking about, like Chipotle and Burger King and TGI and all these crazy fast food places. This is perfect chopped fresh basil. The sponsor can help you with selection, sizing, base colors, discounts, free shipping, no tax, and even installation. One of the few companies left that actually provides customer service and can help you to improve the look and function of your new kitchen. Call them now. Learn from the chefs. Get cooking. Have a great day. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. By the way, this glove stops knives. Nothing is going to cut me. And little chains, all hand welded. Made in America. Check out your sponsor there, okay? So here we go. First, I'm going to go right in half. Oh yeah, nice perfect cut. Beautiful pair. Then I'm going to do some quick slices. Just like this. I ended up with about 20 slices there. I was hoping for 25. Professional cutting boards, chopping blocks, butcher blocks, custom sizes, many styles, all made in the USA.